Hello and welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install OpenCode CLI on VS Code. This is really simple. Let me show you step by step. At first you have to install VS Code in your PC. Here you can see I got VS Code in my PC. So basically if you open your VS Code, you'll find something like this. Now we need to actually install OpenCode CLI here. So let's go to the browser, and here you can see I have opened OpenCode CLI here. So basically you have to actually search for OpenCode CLI in the GitHub. But let's see, if you don't want to go like this, you can just copy a single line. Let me show you. This is the line, npm i-g opencode-ai at latest. So if you want to execute this command, you have to actually download node.js. Here you can see npm. So to execute npm command, you have to actually install node.js in your PC. Go to the node.js, download it, okay, and then install it in your PC. And after that, you have to go for the VS Code once again, and I want to go to the terminal, new terminal, and here I want to check node-v, and here you can say I got the node.js version. It means I have installed node.js globally. Go to the browser once again, and here you can see you have to actually copy this command. So copy this command and go back to the VS Code, and here you have to open terminal. So click here and go for the terminal. So click here, and here you can see it's open. Now I'll actually paste it here. Now here we're going to right click on it. Here you can see npm i-g opencode-ai at latest. So if you now hit enter, it will be installed in your PC. Here you can see npm I and -g means globally. Changes 3 packages. Here you can see it means you have successfully installed it. Now if you want to check OpenCode version, you can say OpenCode -n version. You'll get the version. Here you can see version 1.1.23. So why we basically use OpenCode? OpenCode basically used for creating project, and this is totally free. You can actually create long project also. Any project, web development or anything, you can actually create here. So now we are going to create a project, and I'm going to show you the whole process. So I'll open a folder here. So the folder will do work as a project, okay? So here I'm going to add this project here, and now I'll go back to the terminal once again. And here in the terminal, I will open it, and here you can see currently I am in HTML folder, right? G drive and then HTML folder. Now here I'm going to open OpenCode CLI. We already installed it, right? Now we say here open code and hit enter, and here you can see OpenCode will be open here. So OpenCode is open here, you can see. Now we can actually ask anything here. I would say here create an index file site. Hit enter to generate this. Basically I am showing you a very normal project. Now let's say you want to create a big size project, let's say Laravel project, and you need a prompt. So maybe you can go to the ChatGPT or any other GPT, and then you can ask for a good or professional prompt there, and you can copy the prompt and you can paste the prompt here. And one more thing is, if you find any error in your project, you just have to mention this. You don't need to change anything manually. You don't need to do any coding here. Just mention the issues or mention the problems if you have, and then it will solve the issues, and it will make this project clean. And here you can see we got index.html. Now let's say I want to delete this, and here you can see it generates all the codes for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually now execute this code. I want to access this. So here I will go to the extension, and from here I'll go for a server called live server. Here you can see live server. So I have already installed in my PC. You just have to install it. And after that, you have to go to the project, and here you can see index.html, and in the right side, you will find go live. So click here to go live. Boom. Here you can see we got here a portfolio website, and we can actually go to every section. Here you can see project section, then contact and everything. When it's working also, right? Okay. Now, if you want to change anything, let's say you want to, add here social links in the footer also. So you may actually ask for it. You don't need to do any coding here, okay? That's it, guys. I hope you understand how you can actually install this in your PC. And if this is helpful for you, please make sure you give a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.